Okay, so here we are on day, I want to say 3, something like that. This is Huel. It's a mixture of like plant-based. It's actually food in a bag. And I bought 3 flavors, the green curry, yellow curry, and the sweet and sour. And they're all pretty decent. Um, Again, I'm not a vegan at all. I'm not a vegetarian. What I'm trying to do, my doctor suggested that I eat more plant-based foods in my diet. He didn't say just go on a plant-based diet, although it's probably what he'd want me to do, but just I'm not going to do that because I love shrimps. So I'm kind of giving you a little idea of my journey with this. So it's not bad. The food, it's eatable. Um, it's different. But you know what? This is powerful food. I will say that. I don't nap as much, or I'm not as tired during the day when I eat this stuff for breakfast and lunch. Today will be breakfast, lunch, dinner. So the back of it shows like the amount of vitamins that are in this. This is very extremely healthy food. Now the carb content, it is a little, this one's a little high. It's at 50, but 10 of it is fiber, so it brings you down to 40. But, you know, more important than that, so you just got like a ton of ingredients in there. Dried grains, quinoa, pea protein, flaxseed, super, super healthy, all natural food stuff. We talked about the carb a minute ago. You know, if you're going to get a carb, you want it to be more of a complex and not a simple, because then it doesn't raise the glycemic level as much. And when your sugar level goes up, your glycemic level goes up. That's how you get fat. So this carb is, let's call it a healthy carb, more complex than the other ones. So you're not going to have that bread dough kind of soda pop sugar. You're going to have a totally plant-based carb. See what's in here? Like good stuff, like I'm pretty sure ginger's in there and different roots. We're talking powerhouse food. So again, you know, you're not going to look at this or eat it and go, Yahoo, this is yummy. I mean, it's not bad, all right? So I've never done the vegan thing or whatever. So I'm probably maybe not the best person to make a video like this. But I've been finding myself eating. Now, when I say meals, I'll add the Huel to something else. So today I have some shrimp and garlic with herbs. Got it at Costco. All you gotta do is put it on the oven range, heat it up. Absolutely fabulous. I've noticed since I've been eating the Huel, I've been eating less of other food. So since this is super, super healthy, it's actually a good thing. When your body gets nutrients, you don't need to eat as much because you're getting, like, this is perfect food. Like, okay, it's not perfect tasting, but it's not bad. And what you're getting are super nutrient dense meals. Okay, this is literally a meal. You could live off this. And some of them have like little raisins in them. I think the sweet and sour one, or no, maybe it's this one. But you know, I'm not an expert in this. I just got it like a few days ago. I think that might be like a little, what do you call that, cranberry or something they throw in there for some carb. So perfect nutrition in this stuff. Over here, I like meat. So earlier I had pork today. Now I'm gonna have some shrimp with my Huel. So this will give me some protein. This one in particular has carb and protein in it. And I got some shrimp. Oh, it specifically has butter. So butter is where I'm going to get some energy from and some of that. Now over here, this is the last part. I've got beets. And I believe these... Oh, no. On Amazon, I ordered some organic beet powder. This is not it. What I'm doing is I'm using this container for my new powder, and I think I threw away that. No, I didn't. It's still in the cupboard. I'll show that one next time. But anyhow, I added 2 scoops of beet powder. It says promotes energy and endurance, cardiovascular health, nitric oxide. So it activates nitric oxide, which will help me do more reps, breathe better, better circulation and stuff. So, and it has a cool, well, I guess it's starting to settle since I've been talking so much making this video, but beetroot powder is great for dropping blood pressure, helping circulation in the body. Good, and it tastes good actually too. So check it out. So my goal is to try to, tone up, drop some fat before summer or spring actually. But I'm not trying to do a bunch of running and all that kind of stuff. So what I'm trying to do is drop some pounds just by changing how I eat and eat healthier. So we're talking powerhouse meal right here. Very nutrient dense, small amount of food, not a lot. And yeah, there you go. That's my plan, and I'm sticking to it.